Hello everyone, I come back with new interview experience video. He is my childhood friend. He is working in Eton from last 2 years. Recently he joined in another company. Please introduce about yourself.
Yeah. So hi everyone. Myself Akash Akalwadi. So we are from same village. That is Mangrul Pan, situated in Solapur districts only. And we have studied till 10th. The same, and moved to Solapur for pursuing my diploma in mechanical engineering. Afterwards I went to D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi, and there I did my BE Bachelor of Engineering in mechanical stream. And afterwards I joined Eton as a graduate trainee engineer. So I worked there for 1.5 years. Afterwards I moved to Global Supply Chain Center of Excellence. There I worked for 1 year almost, and now I have got another opportunity in another company.
That's nice, Akash. I'm also feeling proud. You are working in a different company with different roles. Yeah, in good positions. Cause in that days, now if we do compare, then it's really a big change in your life. I also feel proud of these things, this moment. Then what about your? Can you explain your schooling educations, then engineering educations? Cause our background from the village educations, okay, and that's why it is a somewhat challenging to convert to go Pune and to take educations, higher education. That's why I would like to ask you to describe our schooling educations. What are the things you did?
Yeah, so when I was in school, so I have a fear of English, you know. So
yes,
every villagers have the fear of English. So at that time, so I have also the same feelings what the villagers have, and at 8th standard I didn't know the English at all. No, I can't read English fluently. So Babu can read very well at that time. So he got appreciation from her teacher as well. So
Matki madam.
Yeah, Matki madam. Yeah.
Yes.
She's a good teacher, you know.
Yes.
Earlier and after that I went to diploma in mechanical engineering at that time. So some of subjects like maths and science, those all are in English only. So in the first lecture I didn't know what they're teaching us and all those things, because we are from Marathi background and directly went to the English, so that bit difficult to understand at that time. Afterwards I went to Pune. So Pune is fully new city to me. And after that I got first of all I have selected in MMCOE college in Karvenagar only. So I have rejected that college due to my personal reason. And afterwards I taken D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akudi. I have joined there to pursue my BE in mechanical engineer. While doing BE, I have done internship in Eton only. So 1 year I had done 2 projects over there, and as well as I have participated in go-kart competition. That is a racing car competition. So I have attended that in Bangalore only. You know? That tough competition. But we didn't won prize there. But we have got an award of best lap time award. We got there for that particular competition.
During internship, what are the how you managed your internship time along with your college?
Yeah, so while doing internship, so I used to go company on Friday, Saturday, 2 days. You know, I work there for 8 to 9 hours a day. I'm always working on the project, so that I don't know how the time goes, 8 and 9 hours at the company. You know, so while you are working, and I did the project of indirect cost project, and another one is improvement in productivity of one of production line there. That really helps me to understand the time study and all those things. That ultimately improves the productivity of that particular production line. So that is what I have managed, and in that time, so I have done my project as well. So that is sponsored project. So another project I am talking about, not the go-kart project. No, go-kart is different thing. And one more project I did, the energy generation from treadmill. So when the person walks on that particular treadmill or runs on that particular treadmill, so we have a timing gear arrangement there. So whenever the belt turns or rotates around that particular shaft. The shaft transmits the energy to the alternator through pulley, and that alternator energy we saved into the battery, so that can help in the gyms to supply power for bulbs and all those things. So we generate little power, but that is what the productive thing we did during college project.
Yes, yes, that's. But why the students are feeling like that? Mechanical means they are diverting towards their aims. Even though they are doing the education from the mechanicals, but they want to change their industry, their domains. Why they are doing so? Is there any reason behind this?
No, in mechanical engineering, the comfort zone comes. Most of the mechanical students wants design engineer job only.
Okay.
So they don't make their hands dirty.
Oh.
In mechanical, you have to make your hands dirty. Then and then only you will get an office job or otherwise any white collar job.
Yes.
So mechanical is a vast, and students are also huge in the mechanical industry. So we have less opportunity, so we have to work hard or do some extra thing. Always try to do some extra thing in mechanical, so then and then only you can have an opportunity with you.
Yes, yes. So we can't say like that less opportunity. Opportunities are same in every domains, but based on your work, how you are doing study. Now, even though if you want to enter in IT field, you should be focused about your industrial requirement. Like that, if you want to get in mechanical domain, you should be aware about the industrial requirement. You should work whatever you did, like you did some internship. That's why you get some informations from the company's level. All those things. That's why you are right now in good level.
Yeah.
So domains not matter. It's based on your work. All those things you can reach to your destinations. Then what in that times, what about your after college days? What are the things you did? You get any opportunity in your college, or you directly gone to that companies only where you are doing the internship?
I got an opportunity at Eton only, so that's good for me. And the internship is likely to help me to join that Eton company.
Oh, because you are already doing one internship from good company. That's why you focused on that company only. You tried to grab the opportunity from that in that company only, because it is one good MNC company you are working. You are doing internship. Yeah, that's why you haven't focused on the college placement, all those things.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yep. Yeah. Then what about your means what are the process happened in Eton? Whether they directly hired or they have they have taken some processes.
Yeah, so coming to interview point, so as I did the internship over there, so the manager is already know me, the general manager already know me, and he referred the quality manager. So there is one opening in quality, so he said this candidate is good, he has done 2 projects there and good candidate I have seen ever. So he referred me for that position, and that quality manager has taken interview of me, and after interviewing I got selected. I got appointment letter there.
Okay.
After a few days I joined as a GET or Eton.
Is there they focus on your your internship related things, or they focus on your college subjects during your interview?
Yeah, so during my interview they primarily focus on your projects and your extracurriculum activities. As far as my project is concerned, so I have already told that is we did
number of projects.
electricity generation from treadmill.
Yes.
And so I have told everything about that. Afterwards they came to the extracurriculum activities, and they asked what is your role into the go-kart event. So later on I answered to the interviewer that so I am looking for the chassis department. We have to manufacture the chassis for that particular car. We design chassis, we take an analysis on that chassis, and we manufacture that in our workshop only, college workshop only. So afterwards they asked about the internship, what you did in internship. So in internship, so we have done some data analysis things. So that came to one conclusion. So we have to, company works for a project to come to one of conclusion. So in that data analysis we came to conclusion, and that conclusion is explained to manager.
Okay.
And manager have got what he want from that project.
Okay, yes, yes, yes. That means mostly they focused on your projects and your internships. Yes, 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 yes. That's why, guys, you should be try to do like him, even though if you are a mechanical or whichever the domains, if you did some internship which will helps you to grab the opportunity. Yes, that's nice. Then, what are your thinking about the mechanical industries right now?
Yeah, so coming to mechanical industry, so the growth is constant in mechanical, you know. So as far as now, the mechanical means in automotive and mechanical industry, the industry 4.0 is coming. So I suggest viewers to do courses on industry 4.0 and artificial intelligence, and data science. So these will also help in mechanical industry as well.
Okay,
You know,
okay.
yeah.
Yes, yes.
So that is what I suggest to our viewers. And,
Okay, means this artificial intelligence, these MLs are not only related to IT. It is also will use in mechanical industry
Mechanical
also.
as well, yeah.
That's why you are suggesting to do these courses during your engineering or after the engineering if you want to get a good job. Yes, that's nice. Yes, yes. I hope guys his experience will matter in your life cause from the 10th standard. Before that also we discussed about him which will helps in your careers, and I would like to thanks to Mr. Akash to come here to share his experience which will help you. Thank you.